Today we're starting a brand new project car here, and this one's cool because it is going to show you how we bring back to life 2008 Porsche 997 Carrera. So here we go, let's dive in and check this thing out. Here it is, 2006 Porsche 997 Carrera S, and guess what, people? It comes with 3 pedals. It is a proper 6-speed transmission. These things come stock with about 320 horsepower. Of course, it's not all about speed with these NA engines. It's about handling and style, and we've got all the parts lined up to really give this thing the complete makeover.
When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off, go off, so go off, go off, go off, go off. When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off.
First time here, we're gonna fire it up and check out how the Soul exhaust sounds. Muffler deletes, here we go. have transformed the Carrera and actually sounds like a proper sports car with the Soul Performance. Muffler deletes. Most everything's done now. Now we got to take it over and get it aligned. And then our next two things are to wait for those wheels to come in, get those on, and take it out for a spin. Great news, we've got the custom VR Forge wheels back. The DO4 is in a gloss red for the Porsche Carrera. So these things look amazing, look at that. And we've got them wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. So these are a 19 8.5, 1911 with a 235 3519 and a 295 3019 on the rear. So now it's time to get these things on the Porsche. Here it is, we got the wheels on. They look absolutely stunning up against the white Carrera. This gloss red brings everything out, just a huge difference in the way this has come together. So that is all the mods that we've done to the car. Now it's time to get this thing out on the road and hear what she sounds like and what she looks like rolling. So let's get out there and get driving.